Modeling is a process that uses math to represent, analyze, make predictions, or otherwise provide insight into real-world phenomena. Just as there are many ways to do math when modeling, there are many ways to approach your question. So as you begin the process, the first step is critical. Define the problem statement.
Defining the problem is really important because it gets you to understand what you're actually trying to solve, and you spell it out just so that you know what to plan for.
The way the problem is worded, it's not a question. They just give you, information, and you have to be able to pull out what the actual question is and what you're searching for. So you have to define before you can start doing any of the work.
For example, let's say you've been asked to rank roller coasters according to their thrill factor. What exactly does thrilling mean? Max G-force? Length of drop? Top speed? These are all decisions you need to make.
When you define a problem, you actually are finding some of the consisting factors in your problem. So factors that are gonna affect your outcome.
If you really take the time and read aloud the entire prompt word by word to your entire team and make sure your team really has a grasp on what they're doing, that's going to set them up really well for the rest of the competition.
Remember, mathematical models answer open-ended questions, the kind of questions that are all around you. They can be approached from many different ways, so get creative. Here are a few guidelines. A concise restatement of the problem will tell you what your model will measure or predict. Focus and define subjective words, like best or thrilling. Explore the problem with research and brainstorming. Brainstorm like you have access to any and all data you may need. It's a good idea for one member of the team to record every idea. You never know what you'll need later in the process. Visual diagrams can be a powerful tool to help structure your model in upcoming steps. Keep an open mind. You can prune out unrealistic or useless information later. The math modeling process contains all the ups and downs of your favorite roller coaster. Defining the problem up front will help you focus on the next steps in the process. So sit down, put on your thinking cap, and enjoy the experience. For more information on the math modeling process, visit m3challenge.siam.org.